how does social media affect people's body image and their expectations from surgery? There's no question that it does, that people are susceptible to what they see in a magazine, on TV, and social media, etc. And people that are influencers do influence people about plastic surgery. But it's up to the individual to have responsibility for themselves to control their exposure to social media if they're susceptible, and to have a reality check about their real appearance and about what people's bodies look like normally, and to stay grounded. It's not the responsibility, in my opinion, of the outside world to make you feel good about yourself or make you feel bad about yourself or to set your expectations about plastic surgery or anything else. It's up to you to control your exposure if you're susceptible and to reach your own conclusions. So I would say be educated, educate yourself about what's normal anatomy, what's a normal appearance for yourself, how to maximize that appearance if you're interested in improving your appearance, what's reasonable, what are the risks versus benefits, and not be dependent upon whatever you happen to see on the computer, because just like paper accepts ink, the pixels accept the color, and they'll put anything on there that you want to put on there. And if you want to see something, there'll be somebody out there who wants to gain your eyeballs and monetize your eyeballs by getting you to look. So it's not their responsibility to get you to not look, it's your responsibility to not look if you're susceptible to that kind of thing. So that's my philosophy about that. Do you agree, or you think that's the people, the content maker has a responsibility to show you things that are true and in your best interest?
I agree, except for when it comes to photoshopping of images, because then I think that's the content maker's fault.
Well, it's all their fault, but it's not, it's your fault if you believe it. If you look at a woman who's got legs like this and you know that that's not anatomically correct, or you should, if you're foolish enough to believe that's true, I mean, is it their fault or your fault?
It's all of our faults.